Hello everybody, today I'm going to introduce to you is how to key in discount column, a lump sum discount column inside the MYOB invoice. So normally when we enter the invoice, right, we have all the line, but MYOB ABSS by default only can calculate discount by percentage. If you want to key in a lump sum amount for the discount, you have to create so-called a service item called discount. Okay, so how to create? Go to inventory under item list and then create new discount. So tick I sell this item. Okay, tick I sell this item. Go to maybe your sales and services, or if you got create a so-called discount allowed, you can go ahead with that particular chart of account code. Okay, so detail, of course, I just put in discount also, and take this, use item description on sale and purchase. Tax code is NT as usual. Okay, don't have anything, just click OK. So when I go back to sales, enter sales, I want to generate an invoice. I have maybe 10 pieces of iPhone. Okay, and -1 discount, and maybe it's $100. So that's it. Before that, no need to record. Let's preview. Ignore the spelling check. Let's use maybe a sample invoice. So you can see from here, see, there's a discount. Okay, so instead of 16990 minus 100, you become 16890. Okay, thank you.